Imagine a place where the sun always shines and the ocean stretches as far as the eye can see. This is Kiribati, a small island nation in the heart of the Pacific Ocean. Kiribati is made up of 33 islands, but only a few are big enough for people to live on. These islands are like precious jewels scattered across the vast blue canvas of the Pacific. They are atolls formed by coral reefs that have grown around underwater volcanoes over millions of years. Life on these islands is different from anywhere else in the world. The people of Kiribati are called the I-Kiribati. They are known for their warm smiles and their deep connection to the ocean. Life on these islands is simple and peaceful. Most people live in villages, surrounded by coconut trees and the sound of the waves. The ocean provides everything the I-Kiribati need to survive. They fish in the crystal clear waters and they grow crops like coconuts, breadfruit and pandanus on the narrow strips of land. Family is very important in Kiribati culture. People live close together and help each other. The I-Kiribati are known for their welcoming nature and their love of music and dance. Singing and dancing are important parts of their culture. They gather together to celebrate special occasions and to share stories from their ancestors. Their dances are full of energy and tell stories of the sea, the sky, and their history. Their music is made with simple instruments like drums and guitars, but it is full of joy and rhythm. The ocean is everything to the I-Kiribati, but it is also changing. Climate change is making the sea levels rise. This is a big problem for Kiribati because the islands are very low-lying. The rising water is threatening their homes, their crops, and their way of life. The ocean that has always provided for them is now becoming a threat. Salt water is flooding their freshwater sources, making it difficult to grow crops. Section 5, the Tireless Dance of the Sun. Every day in Kiribati, the sun rises over the vast Pacific, casting a golden glow over the islands. The I-Kiribati are deeply connected to the natural world. They have lived in harmony with the ocean and the land for centuries. Their traditional knowledge of the sea and the stars has been passed down through generations. They understand the rhythms of nature and know how to live sustainably. But now their way of life is under threat. Section 6, a world under threat. The challenges facing Kiribati are not just their own, they are a reminder to the whole world that climate change is real and it is happening now. The rising sea levels are a warning sign that we must all take action. We cannot ignore the plight of the I-Kiribati. They are on the front lines of climate change. Their story is a call for action. Section 7, the spirit of sustainability. Despite the challenges they face, the I-Kiribati are resilient. They are finding ways to adapt to the changing environment. They are building seawalls to protect their homes from the rising tides. They are planting mangroves to protect their coastlines from erosion. They are teaching their children about the importance of protecting their environment. Section 8, a call for global kinship. The people of Kiribati are sending a message to the world. They are saying that we are all connected. What happens in one part of the world affects us all. We cannot ignore the plight of those on the front lines of climate change. We must work together to find solutions. We must reduce our impact on the planet. We must listen to the voices of those who are most vulnerable. Section 9, preserving paradise. Kiribati is a reminder that we have a responsibility to protect our planet. We must act now to address climate change and preserve the beauty and diversity of our world. The future of Kiribati, and indeed the future of our planet, depends on it. Let us work together to ensure that the islands of Kiribati continue to exist for generations to come.